Hello, welcome.
Hi, Martin.
Welcome to StudySmarter. Follow me, I can show you some cozy places. Hey guys. Hey. So we have one kitchen area here, for example, and this is all like marketing, content. We try to have also more open spaces. Let's go into the product area because that's where I am working. So let's go. Hello. And we are actually like a very young company, like growing very fast. So I know when I started in the product team, I think we have like 2 more product managers since I started, and also like in other areas we also grew a lot. Small teams going crazy on one topic, and you do like this 0 to 1, coming from a business idea basically, or from a product idea to something which is then hopefully working in the end at the sprint review. One thing in particular, and I think if Sasha is here, she can really vouch for it. What is the one thing I'm mostly in user research, I'm most like a book. I'll give you a hint. What is the book I mostly refer to?
Oh my god, this is called the Mom's Test. Every new person who comes into the company at some point of their onboarding, they have to get familiar with this book.
You once created a flyer for
I
it.
did.
Because it was like a running joke kind of. But to be honest, like the essence of it, I think this is one of the most, one of the things I really take from the DPS is like how to do user research, especially from a product manager perspective. I think like user research as a whole is a huge topic, but it gives me as a product manager a good insight in how to really focus on not influencing the user or like not influencing the interviewer about what you want to know, but really like being open, approaching it, which helps us for validation, because in the end product management is more mostly about having ideas, validating them, and then putting them into production and releasing them. It's essential that you have like a framework and you know how to, even as a product manager, how to ask or have a conversation with the user without influencing their answers.
Thank you for this office tour. I would like to have some coffee now.
Sure, let's get back to the coffee machine.
And now we can say bye to the audience.
Perfect, bye bye.
Ciao.